Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix virtual assistant tools with Google Assistant easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the Google Assistant app installed on your device. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings. Now, choose Google Assistant from the options presented. In this menu, look for Explore to find new virtual assistant tools that may enhance your experience. To fix any issues with existing tools, check the Your Voice section. Make sure Google Assistant recognizes your voice without errors. If needed, retrain the voice model by tapping on Voice Match. Follow the prompts to repeat key phrases, helping the assistant better understand you. Next, revisit the assistant settings to confirm which services are connected. In the Explore section, you can browse and enable new tools that fit your needs. If a tool isn't functioning correctly, navigate back to the main settings menu. Select Services and check if the tool is up to date or requires additional setup. If there are connectivity issues, switch to a stable Wi-Fi network. Restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Finally, test each tool by issuing commands to verify they're now functioning properly. If you encounter persistent issues, consider reinstalling the Google Assistant app from your App Store. This will ensure all components are refreshed and working seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.